Okay, I tried to use the Slack record and it would not let me record itself, which was really super annoying. Okay, so here is how you do the set the time. So right, you like write your message, blah 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 blah, blah, right? Whatever you're gonna do, and then on Slack you just do sorry, I just did that really fast. So you just hover over that little down caret, schedule for later, click it, and then you can set whatever time you want. So like when I've done the morning messages in the past, I've done like, Monday at 7:30 a.m. just depending. You're at East Coast time, so 7:30 is probably fine. Let's say okay, so let's say pretend I'm doing this. Now you're gonna get this crazy message at 7:30 in the morning. Um, Set it for 7:30 a.m. on Monday, schedule message. It's gonna go, you'll see it here, right? Because it's part of this chat, but you can also scroll up and your scheduled messages will be up here. So you'll see it there. You can still go back and edit it if you want to. Um, and then when you click check, it'll just save the changes, but it won't post it. It goes right back to scheduled. You could change the time or you could just go ahead and send it. So it's pretty handy, honestly. All right, hope that helps.